everyone! Here's the final designs of the new 3D printer named Tigtak UE3 Belt. We are going to soon launch it and we are waiting for the parts to be assembled. After listening to the opinions for designs from our friends, we have come to the conclusion. And here is the final design. Here is the moving splinter head of our final design printer. It can move smoothly in all positions. Here is synchronous foley and synchronous belt positions perfectly according to the design. We came up with the idea of having inserted the toolbox and the front size of the machine where we can keep all the stuff related to the printer and easily accessible. The power box and the motherboard box are well inserted at the box below. The right one is power box and the left is the motherboard box, which can easily be moved if needed. The surface of the printer is also set perfectly well. After a period of research and design, we finally completed the first versions of the Y-axis Unlimited Printing 3D printer structure design. We will share this result with you. Here are the structural parts as shown in the last video to be assembled. And we are into it, coming to the final stage of it. Your 3D printers are slowly progressing over time. Today, some accessories has been printed and they have been installed on the printer. We will keep you posting update on this soon.